Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Today, we're embarking on an epic adventure to one of the most breathtaking destinations in the UK, the Peak District National Park. Get ready to join us on an unforgettable road trip filled with stunning views, hidden gems, and plenty of outdoor fun. So buckle up and let's hit the road. All right, guys, we've got everything we need for our Peak District adventure. But first, let's map out our route and get this road trip started. As we journey towards the Peak District, we're treated to stunning views at every turn. The rolling hills, winding roads, and quaint villages make this road trip truly magical. It's moments like these that remind us of the beauty of exploration and the joy of being on the open road. Wow, would you look at that view? The Peak District never fails to impress. From hiking trails to hidden waterfalls, there's so much natural beauty to discover here. And what better way to enjoy it than with good friends and a delicious picnic? Nothing beats the taste of Indian cuisine. We're indulging in all the delicacies overwatching the valley. Plus, it's a great opportunity to chat with the friendly locals and learn more about the area's rich history and culture. Check it out, guys! Paragliders taking flight over the Peak District. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush and a bird's eye view of this breathtaking landscape, paragliding is the way to go. It's a thrilling experience that allows you to glide through the air like a bird, taking in panoramic views of the countryside below. Nestled within the breathtaking landscape of the Peak District, Winnats Pass stands as a testament to the raw beauty and rugged charm of this iconic national park. Carved by centuries of natural forces, this dramatic limestone gorge offers a mesmerizing spectacle at every turn. Towering cliffs loom overhead, their sheer faces adorned with lush greenery, while the winding road below meanders through the valley, inviting adventurers to explore its twists and turns. As you venture deeper into Winnats Pass, the sense of awe only intensifies, with panoramic views stretching out across the surrounding hillsides, punctuated by the occasional glimpse of grazing sheep or soaring birds of prey. Life in this region for centuries? These hardy animals play an important role in maintaining the landscape and preserving the area's natural beauty. Spending time amidst the sheep-filled pastures of the Peak District is a reminder of the harmonious relationship between nature and human life in this beautiful region. Whether they're grazing in the meadows or being herded across the hills, these sheep are an integral part of the landscape, adding to the timeless charm of the Peak District. Our encounter with the sheep of the Peak District has been nothing short of delightful. From their gentle presence in the countryside to the timeless tradition of shepherding, these woolly wonders are an essential part of the charm and character of this region. Well, folks, our Peak District adventure has come to an end, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. From breathtaking landscapes to delicious cuisine and unforgettable experiences, this road trip has been nothing short of incredible. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy travels!